Let's check out these compass error correction practice problems. The first one reads, use a variation of 15 west and the deviation table provided in this section. What is your compass heading if your true heading is 180 degrees true? So we lay out our TVMDC. TVMDC. And the problem says, what is your compass heading? We're looking for compass. If your true heading is 180, so 180 degrees true. Variation. We're on Block Island. We're using chart Block Island Sound and Approaches chart 13205. So it says here, Block Island, use 15 west. So we use 15 west variation for all of these problems. And we're going down, we add west. So this is 195 degrees magnetic. And then the deviation for 195 degrees is here's 180, right? It's 2 west. Halfway in between 180 and 210 is 195. And if you go half, you split these in half, there's 1.5 degrees. So we're going up, we use 0.75. That would be 2.75 degrees west. I round it up to 3 because what happens is you end up rounding it anyways. So we're going to use 3 west. 3 west. Now remember, always record whether it's west or east. That determines whether you add or subtract. So 3 degrees west, we're going down, we add it. 195 turns to 198 degrees PSC. And we'll check our answers. Number 1 is B, 198 PSC. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Erase this, and we'll start fresh. TVMDC. Second one reads, they all start with, use a variation of 15 west and the deviation table provided in this section. And then starts the question. What is your compass heading if your true heading is 343? So our true heading is 343 degrees true. Variation again, 15 west. And now we have 358. 358. That's very close to 360, which is 0. Keep that in mind. Deviation for 358. When we go to the deviation table, we have 330 here at 15 east. Well, look at 0. We're very close to 000, which is equivalent to 360, which is 2 east. So we will use 2 east. We're at 358. We're closest to 000 because we're going back around the compass. And so we will use 2 east. 2 east. It's east, we're going down, we subtract. So we get 356 degrees PSC. Now let's check it out. Do we have the answer? 356 PSC is D. And number 2 is D. Good. Now let's do the third and final one for this video. I always start fresh. Just start fresh. It helps to write out TVMDC over and over and over again. TVMDC. Now let's check it out. Number 3, use a variation of 15 west and the deviation table provided in this section. What is your compass heading if your true heading is 042 degrees true? 042 degrees true. It's true. It always goes on top. Variation 15 west for our intents and purposes. And we can get magnetic. We're going down. We add west. 057. 057 degrees. 57 degrees. We'll go to our deviation table. Here's 60 degrees for east. Right, 057, very close to 60 for east. So we use 4 degrees east. We're going down, we subtract 0, 5, 7 minus 4 is 3. 0, 5, 3 degrees PSC. Let's check our answer. And 0, 5, 3 is A. 3 is A. Okay, so that's how, these are real examples. These are the practice problems going from true to compass. This is compass correction. We're putting variation and deviation into our true compass heading to get our compass heading that we're experiencing on our ship.